How to fix if you can't follow people on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on your profile located at bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right. Click on settings and privacy. In here, scroll down and then click on free up space. In free up space, clear cache. Click on clear, again click on clear. After it's clear, try following it. It might fix your problem. If it does not fix your problem, it might be due to your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is slow, simply turn Wi-Fi off and then try connecting with mobile data. After you've turned on mobile data, try following the person. If it does not solve, go to your profile, click on three lines at the top right again. Then click on settings and privacy at the bottom. Then in here, scroll down to report a problem, click on report a problem. Then at the search bar at the top, search can't follow people and click on unable to follow a user. You'll find all these solutions. Simply scroll down. If this does not fix, you can simply scroll down and then you'll find these options. Click on no at the bottom. After you've clicked on no, click on need more help. And in here, you can simply type in the same problem. Click on plus sign at the bottom right. You can also send picture or video of how you can follow a people. TikTok will get back to you and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix if you can't follow people on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.